So great to have you along on this Thursday afternoon as we get ready to roll into your evening. Another day that had thicker clouds, gloomy skies. Did you catch it? A few of the rain showers that came across the area today. Very likely to be the last rain showers we see now through the weekend and perhaps even beyond that. We're at 66 degrees. We felt that cooler breeze. Northeast winds right around 10 miles per hour and quite a bit of moisture that's hanging in the atmosphere. Just a heavy feel to the afternoon. May be a little foreshadowing to some fog that will be developing tonight. We're going to get you through midnight with mainly cloudy skies, a few isolated showers back in the lower 60s. But by the time we reach tomorrow morning, and you can go ahead and open up that WTOL 11 weather app, and here's exactly what you're going to see. Some of that fog developing between about 4 and 5 a.m. It gets a little thicker as we go toward daybreak. So could have some issues with fog at Friday morning. Heads up and be prepared if you have any travel plans, or watch very closely for any school delays. First thing in the morning, couple hours of fog that should be lifting between 9 and 10 a.m. Through the afternoon, it may be slow at first. Clouds will linger, but some sun that will develop through the afternoon takes us into the lower 70s. We've got 60s across the area, mainly in the mid 60s right now. If we widen the picture out, we're going to see extensive cloud cover, a few additional rain showers, and part of the fog development will depend on where we get the clouds to clear out early this evening and if they do indeed clear. A couple showers down there toward Putnam County, right across Ottawa, back over toward Kalida, some showers into Williams County and southern parts of Fulton County. So you get the picture. A few hit or miss chances of rain showers still going to be possible this evening. Scattered showers this evening. Patchy fog develops tonight. May favor areas west of I-75 for some of that denser fog. And the closer you are to the Indiana state line, could be that higher chance of seeing foggy conditions. Still looking at brighter skies and warmer weather into the weekend. Going to be a gorgeous weekend ahead. Now, the hour-by-hour outlook into the visibility. Watch the visibilities drop as we go after midnight. Clock stopped 4 a.m. That's when that fog is really going to begin to thicken up. May get even thicker and more widespread through about daybreak between 7 and 8 a.m. And I do expect along and west of I-75 may actually favor some of the thicker fog through mid-morning. Now, it's happening tonight, but may be difficult to see. But the full moon is going to be rising at 7:14. Unfortunately, we do have extensive cloud cover and that chance of fog tonight. But if you get a peek of it, that is officially our full moon that's happening tonight. Some fog likely, some isolated showers as well. We'll dip back into the upper 50s to near 60. And after the fog in the morning does lift, some lingering clouds will allow for afternoon sun to develop right around 71 for the daytime high. Football Friday night, looking at another dry and mild night. Temperatures will hold steady in the mid 60s around kickoff time and then dip back into the low 60s as we go to the second half. Some morning fog expected Friday, likely again into Saturday. Highs in the mid 70s Saturday, near 80 on Sunday, and that warm, dry weather still sticking around Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, likely Thursday, and now some indications it's late next week and toward next weekend is when that bottom falls out. Strong cold front drops us back into the 60s by next weekend.
So this has to be toward the end of the warm, very warm weather here, even though it has been quite a stretch.
It's been quite a stretch. We actually typically average our last 80-degree day in the first week of October, so what we're seeing isn't unusual. To get several days, though, back to back to back is going to be quite nice, but then to get the sort of rug pulled out from underneath us, that also not unusual. We're thinking late next week that happens.
The average first frost is what, mid-October?
Yeah, it's a couple weeks away.
That seems crazy. It's been so warm.
It can happen very quickly.
Yeah, that's true.
Chris, thank you.